Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So, we've got two different ways to check the serial number. The first one requires a secret code and it is the fastest way to do that. And the second is by using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both options. And I'd like to start with the maybe settings. So let's enter the settings here. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom also and tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got the serial number of this device. So that was the longer way to check the serial number. And a much quicker one is to open the phone dialer. Let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number at the bottom. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.